Kate here with WTI, and this is the file storage system from Topgoose. Now, this isn't your typical file storage system. So yes, it will organize your life. We all need that. But it is fireproof, water resistant, and dust proof. So it will keep you organized, but it will also protect all of your valuable paperwork and files that you put in here. So I love this size. It is nice and compact. It's generous enough that you can file away all of your paperwork, but it's not bulky. So if you want to store this under your desk or you want to tuck it away in a closet somewhere, it's the perfect size for that. It's also easy to take on the go. It does have handles. You could take this to the office if you need to, or while you travel. If you are traveling and you want to lock this up so that nobody can gain access, it has a lock. So I love that added layer of security. Now check out the inside. You can see that the lid has all kinds of pockets. I love this. So I like to put my passports in here, any extra paperwork. There's the zippered spot. So lots of places to store your things away. It also comes with this really cool bag, and this is also fire resistant. You can even use this if you have money you want to stow away. It also collapses down when not in use. So if you do want to store this away, easy to do. On the inside, it has a nice big space. You can use this for absolutely anything, but if you do want to put your files in here, it holds both letter size and legal size, depending which direction you want to place them in. So if you're looking for a way to organize all of your paperwork and your important documents, you want to keep them safe no matter what might happen, this is an awesome option from Topgoose. I'm really pleased with the quality, and that's my point of view.